Today we're checking out Disney's Character Warehouse on International Drive, so let's head inside. They have these Pandora lamps for $34.99. I've seen a lot of these in a lot of the videos, and I still have a bunch of them here. Some Plush for $70.99, Destiny and Bailey from Finding Dory. Special promo Mickey glow wands. These are for Mickey's kind of birthday celebration, and they spin and light up. They'd sell these like during the nighttime shows, and these are $9.39. They have a lot of them. $4.99 for these Jack Skellington gloves, and you can also get the outfit for $19.99. These assorted plushes like the Yeti and Avatar for $7.99, and R2-D2 for $4.99. Tons of Disney princess dresses, specifically from the Disney Cruise Line, for $24.95. These are really well made, and they have the tiaras and bags to go with them. The Danielle Nicole bags for $13.99 for Tiana, which is really, really nice. It's really cute too. Lots of range of sizes for these princess dresses, and a lot of them are $24.99. Here's a look at some of the kids' shirts, and these ones are really, really cool. $7.99. Most of these range from like $7.99 to $10.99 to $9.99. They have Mickey Mouse ones, a lot of Mickey Mouse ones for kids. These Minnie Mouse hats, they originally retailed for $27.99, and they're now $4.99. That is so good for these hats. So they have the Americana mini ears for $7.99, and these are kind of the newer ones that they have from last year, and they say All American Girl on them. This Edna Mode Tsum Tsum set for $4.99. Luke Skywalker and Han Solo Dwarves for $3.99, originally $14.99. You can also get autograph books here for $3.99, and they're the newest kind of compass print, and you can put autographs and photos in them, which is really cool. Below that we have some notepad sets. They're all like Mickey Mouse sets, and they're really big. Originally $12.99. Here they are $3.99. Monsters Inc. print is $9.99 and is $19.99. Sorcerer Mickey cooling fans for $5.99. The Star Wars glow ears for $7.99. Child's ponchos for $2.99. Some of the men's shirts, they have these Nike Mickey Mouse kind of like golf shirts. They're $19.99, originally $75. This kind of green t-shirt for $14.99 that has a little Mickey on it. These cool like Hawaiian type shirts for $14.99. They have a Star Wars one, and they also have these ones here from Alani in two different prints, blue and this kind of peachy, and it has the Mickey Mouse on it. This really cool Mickey authentic shirt for $9.99. They have one of the Disney food shirts, and this one is $12.99. This really cool kind of retro Walt Disney World shirt. It is bright orange, which is really fun, and that is $7.99. Really fun Walt Disney World kind of PJ pants, sweatpants, and these are $9.99 for this cool park print. I really like those ones. They have some other shorts, kind of hoodies here, $12.99. They have this rack of all of these t-shirts, and they have a lot of kind of the newer simple designs like the single rider shirt, some Seven Dwarfs shirts,
You like that shirt?
Mickey Mouse ones,
Orange like you like.
the monorail shirt, and all of these are $9.99, and there's just again a bunch of ones from all over the park like Disney State of Mind. This one's really fun, also $9.99. Walt Disney World sweatpants for $19.99. They have the icon down there. Another rack of t-shirts, guys. This is crazy. Enchanted Tiki Room, Wilderness Lodge, Pandora shirts. These are also $9.99 as well. Some Galaxy's Edge shirts. I'm really surprised that they have these here. These are $9.99. That is so cool. And it even says Landing 2019 on the sleeve. This Epcot 35 Walt Disney World shirt for $9.99. Another rack of t-shirts for $9.99. I would go through all of these and show all the designs to you guys, but it's very crowded here today. Once again, more women's shirt. I see some long sleeve ones. Some really soft, even like PJ type shirts. Also, majority of these are all $9.99 as well. Back here we have some more of the Rock the Dot shirts available, like this fun kind of puffball one, which is $14.99. This other kind of 3D Rock the Dots one for $12.99. I really like the 3D bow on that, that's fun. All About the Bow shirt, and this is kind of like a two-piece kind of shirt, and this is $12.99. Other fun mini shirts for the summer, $9.99. This Animal Kingdom 20th anniversary kind of crop hoodie, and it is $14.99. All of the Flower and Garden merchandise has recently arrived at the outlet. They have this Put a Little Zest in Your Fest fun like sparkly kind of makeup bag for $5.99. This other fun makeup pouch with all of the different kind of seed packaging, also for $5.99. This fun flower purse, and this is $15.99. Put a Little Zest in Your Fest socks for $4.99. A Mickey and Friends Seed Company tote bag for $9.99. It's a bigger size as well. They have the spike hats from Flower and Garden Festival at Epcot, and it does have the date and everything on the back, which is fun. These are $8.99, originally $27.99. They have the mini garden party globe that was also sold for Flower and Garden Festival. This is $12.99, originally $39.99. These really fun kind of sun hats. These aren't really Disney themed, but I know sometimes they sell them around Epcot. They range from like $11.99 to $10.99. There's a lot of them here. They also have these kind of matching purses. Also, again, not Disney themed, but were sold at the parks for $14.99 here at the outlet, originally $50. They have some other prints here as well. These Loungefly wallets, they have the Minnie Mouse one and the Haunted Mansion one. They're $25, originally $50. We also have some phone cases. These are $7.99. All of these phone cases are $7.99. Glow-in-the-dark Pandora Avatar socks for $9.99. Some other fun ones like BB-8, Star Wars, Solo, and the Beast. The Beast ones are $2.99, so I think some of the other ones were just missing stickers on them. They also have some fun Mickey Mouse sunglasses here, and these are both $4.99 each. This Disney fan pack, these are 99 cents. It comes with the pennant, a sticker, and even the little button as well. That's a really good deal. These assorted pins from Star Wars are $6.99. They have a Solo one. These other pins here for $3.99. They have Lando. Some other cool designs here also. These are majority from Solo, but these are a great place to load up on pin traders because this international store does not have a limit. The Vineland store has a limit of 2 per person. They have the hand sanitizers. They have Darth Vader, Kylo Ren, $2.99 each, and they come with a hand sanitizer in them. $3.99 for these fun Mickey Mouse keychains. $7.99 for this Europe Disney Magic keychain, all metal. Some other keychains for $2.99. $5.99 for this Animal Kingdom 20th Anniversary keychain. And this BB9E keychain that also has some buttons so it like talks and everything, and that is $3.99. Here on our next stand we have some extra pin backs for $1.99. Put a little zest in your Fest Flower and Garden Festival keychain for $3.99. $2.99 for these kind of pass lanyards that you put on your pin lanyards. They have an Epcot 35 one and a Pirates of the Caribbean lanyard. These Mickey Mouse American Legend magnets for $3.99. And they also have one for the Hilton Head Resort, also for $3.99. These Tsum Tsum pin sets for $14.99, originally $29.95. These car magnets from the Trials of the Temple for the Disney Cruise. These are $1.99. They have these really fun kind of also little clip pass bags for $7.99, and they are the Mickey Mouse gloves. They have these car antenna toppers, Olaf and Sven for $3.99. Navi River Journey. Another Pandora one for Flight of Passage. Ace Pandora pin. These pins are $3.99 for the Mickey Mouse Leader of the Club marching one. This Darth Vader one. Jack Skellington. And Copper Creek Cabins. Some Temple trading bags from the Disney Cruise Line for $7.99. This Star Wars changing bag for $14.99. Assorted hats. These Dory ones are $7.99. And they have Avatar ones for $4.99. They have these cool Pandora backpack for $14.99. And this Mount Everest one for $14.99 as well. Over here at the cups now, they have this really cool Lucasfilm tin cup for $7.99. These shot glasses from the Disney Cruise for $4.99 and for also $4.99. These glass Cinderella bottles for $7.99. These plastic Disney Princess ones with the castle in the background for $5.99. This Pirates of the Caribbean jug for $12.99. The Seven Dwarves mini tea set for $24.99, and they also have the Frozen one too. All of these assorted mugs are $5.99. They have Finding Nemo, Winnie the Pooh, Mulan, kind of a flower design, Frozen, Nightmare Before Christmas, these really cool kind of prints of the lightsabers, Star Wars, and more Star Wars ones below. This Mickey Mouse icon clock, this is $14.99. Some more mugs, majority of these are all $5.99. And they have these glass cups for $3.99 from Star Wars. They have these fun candle holders. This Cinderella one is $7.99. This Animal Kingdom one is $4.99. This one is from the Alice in Wonderland teacup, so it's like a little lantern for $4.99. And these fun summer bowls for $9.99. And they have Mickey head foods in them. Americana antenna toppers for $1.99. These Jedi training badges from the Disney Cruise Line are $2.99, and they stopped selling these at the parks because of confusion with Galaxy's Edge, so definitely going to pick up some of those. These Festival of the Arts kind of coloring activity books for $9.99. An iPad case that is Minnie Mouse, it's like leather for $9.99. Star Wars Day at Sea magnets for $9.99. These hide and squeak maps for 49 cents. And they also have the Figment paintbrush map for $1.99. More of those little activity books. Star Wars Day at Sea posters for $7.99. Star Wars water bowls for dogs for $7.99. And they also have Star Wars chew toys. I don't see a price on these ones. More tablet cases for $14.99 and an R2 one for $9.99. Fun postcards for 99 cents from all different places. The Flower and Garden event poster for $7.99 and assorted beach towels for $9.99. Here's a look at the Alex and Ani bracelets for $16.99. They have Snow White, Jiminy Cricket, Ariel, Star Wars ones, Haunted Mansion, Some other sparkly ones. Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse Retro. And another Mickey Mouse design. For the silver ones, also $16.99, we have Elsa, Minnie Mouse, Flower and Garden. 2018 Flower and Garden, actually. Looks like Mulan. 2019 Mickey Mouse. Other fun design ones for $19.99. And this other Mickey head one for $16.99. They have these Mickey 90 ornament sets. There's 2 different variations of them for $9.99. They also have these jumbo Disney princess ornaments for $7.99. Then there's also 2 different designs of those. So many Epcot 35 ornaments. These are super cool and they're $4.99. The Star Wars and Nemo racers are 99 cents. They also have a Mickey Mouse one too. Rivers of Light ornament for $4.99. Star Wars Legacy sketchbook ornament. I don't see a price on this one. Ages Classic Star Wars logo ornament for $4.99. Madame Leota for $5.99. And also Sven is $5.99. Star Wars Day at Sea metal ornament for $7.99. And this Good Tidings Mickey Mouse blown glass ornament for $4.99. They also have these Very Merry Christmas Party 2018 shirts. And these are for kids. And they are $3.99. Sorry the store was so hard to show. It got really, really crowded, so I definitely do not recommend coming on a Saturday if possible. So that was Disney's Character Warehouse. I definitely do not recommend coming here on a Saturday, but we were able to get a lot of goodies, and I'll have a haul video coming out soon if you guys like to see all of that. I'll also have one from the Vineland outlet, which I'll also be posting a video for soon as well, so make sure you guys are subscribed so you do not miss it. And remember to do what you love and do what makes you happy, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!